Hey everyone, it's Shakira and welcome back to my channel. And I'm going to be showing you how I created this look in this video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit your bell for notifications so you know when I'm uploading. We're going to start by priming the face with a Tarte foundation primer, and then I'm going under the eyes with my Sephora concealer, and then after I put my foundation on, I'm going to put my Fenty Beauty concealer on top. Yes, we are double concealing today because this is a Valentine's Day look, so we're doing it a little bit extra. I've already sped up with some of the steps because, you know, nobody needs to see all of that stuff over and over again, right? Now I'm going in with my favorite crease color. This is Texture by MAC, and I'm just deepening my crease, warming it up so that we can get ready for the outer V. I'm using this Afterglow Cosmetics, my very fave outer V brush, because it gets the color right where you need it. I'm just using a matte black. It is by MAC. Don't remember the name of it. So just get yourself a matte black powder and go ahead and place it at the outer V, and then you're going to take a fluffy blending brush and blend that outer V color out. You don't want to pull it too much over because that's going to overpower the eye, and I don't want this to be a smoky eye for this look. So I'm dusting off my powder, and as you can see, I went a little shadow happy with that Texture by MAC, and I'm going to fix it with my setting powder. I'm just pressing in with my beauty blender my setting powder to get rid of that shadow that I created that I don't want. Next, I'm just dusting and blending off my contour, my nose contour, and then we are going to pat on this purpley satin kind of iridescent finish onto the middle of the eye. We're trying to blend it a little bit with that black, and then I'm going in with this color which is hard to even describe. It has like a green tint to it. It's such a weird color, but it ended up really making really pulling the look together, or I ended up really liking it so much so that I wanted to film and share. Now I'm just going underneath. I added some Urban Decay 24-hour eyeliner into the waterline, and then I added that carbon at the waterline, and now I'm just blending. That's my Felicia braid, and I'm going in with a NARS blush. I believe that's Deep Throat, and then here is going to be my Fenty Kilowatt powder, which is my absolute fave. I used a Laura Mercier powder as well, but I'm just so happy with highlighters. It's not even funny. So these lashes are called Princess Kira, and you can get them on ShakiraLee.com. And don't be afraid of lashes, you all. You know, you just have to practice makes perfect. That's all it is. As you can see here, I don't always do the best job, but I end up getting it on there good enough so that I can film a video for you all and then wear them out to special occasions. And this is basically the end of the tutorial. I ended up adding a NARS pink shimmery lip pencil, and then I put my favorite gloss bomb over it by Rihanna, the pink one. I'll leave everything in the description below so you know exactly what I use. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have a fabulous Valentine's Day. And also, there's a sale going on right now on ShakiraLeeBeauty.com, and it's 15% off when you use the code LOVEGODDESS. I have a ton of stuff on that website for you to choose from, so it doesn't have to just be lashes. It could be hair, it could be wigs, and all that jazz. So go ahead and check it out. Use Love Goddess in all caps so that you can get your discount. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.